Hello and welcome to the introduction of Avance commercial embroidery machines. This new product from ColDesi is a 50 needle single head commercial embroidery machine that's designed for the value conscious commercial buyer in the marketplace today. What we're going to do is we're just going to run through some of the basic features and the biggest advantages to the Avance commercial embroidery machine. Okay, the first advantage is a large embroidery field. Almost 20 inches by 14 inches will give you plenty of space to sew out whatever designs come your way. It does have an industrial machine speed up to 1200 stitches per minute. Now, you're not going to always use that 1200 stitches, but it does prove that it can keep up with kind of an industrial pace of creating designs and sewing out product. It's got a great 4-inch LCD display that shows real-time stitches. You do get a USB port to transfer your designs. If you are already a commercial embroiderer, you know how valuable that can be. And it does have something new, which is an Ethernet connection, so you can attach your computer directly to the machine and communicate through the Ethernet cable. It's got an automatic color change, so if your design requires you to go from red to black to white, it handles that all internally. Thread break detection is ideal for commercial machines. Basically what it does is if there is a thread break, which even with high quality thread like Royal thread or Madeira poly neon, you'll occasionally get thread breaks. It notices that and it will stop sewing out, so you're not wasting an entire design or an entire garment. You can come and fix the thread break and then continue embroidering. And then it gives you a design stitch preview, so you can see on the LCD screen what your design is going to look like. Now this is a big one. It's got a 2 million stitch memory or 200 design memory, whichever is larger. That means that your customers' designs can be stored on the machine itself. So no more having to go back and pull up a design on your computer, try to find it in your library, and then send it to the machine again. Up to 200 designs, your best customers' logos, your best customers' designs get stored right on the machine. It's got an easy start, stop, and emergency stop. Now those are those buttons over here. I'm sure you can figure out what they mean. The emergency stop is great if you notice an error and you don't want to waste the rest of that garment, whether it's in your digitizing or the way it's sewn out. And the start and stop, maybe you're going away for lunch, or you've got a customer that comes in and you just want to stop the process while you talk. It's simple. It's just a push button event. Needle selection keys, so you can assign needle number 1 is actually, the red cone in the back. You can customize your job however you would like. It'll rotate your designs, which comes in handy. Networkable operations is actually a big deal because not only can you communicate with your Avance embroidery machine from your computer through an Ethernet cable, but you can network them together, which means that one Avance is just a single head. 2 or 3 or 4 Avances means that you get multi-head operations, where you can send one design to multiple machines at the same time. Incredible flexibility with this Avance 1501C. You also get 270-degree cap stitching. You will not go to a shopping mall in America right now and find one that doesn't have at least a kiosk or a brick and mortar store that does custom embroidered caps or sells sports team caps or something along those lines. And that wide field of embroidery with 270 degrees means that you can do a wide variety of designs on caps, and that just goes to your bottom line. The quiet operation means that you can put it in an office, put it in your home and run it, and it's not going to interrupt your business or your day because of big commercial or industrial noises. Compact and portable design is just what it says. It comes with a wheeled cart, so that means that you can set it up for operations in a corner office or in a bedroom, and then you can roll it into a closet. It's only about 2.5 feet square, so it'll fit in a lot of different places. Portable means that you'll be able to take it off that base and maybe take it to a flea market or to a trade show or to a vertical market show like a horse training show or dog training show, or maybe CAMX, a big college or collegiate sports shows. Take your embroidery machine with you to sew caps and to sew shirts and polos and help you sell designs. But probably the biggest feature, the biggest advantages that Avance has over the wide field of commercial embroidery machines are these people right here. It's that Avance is a ColDesi brand and has all that experience and support that you get with anything that you buy from ColDesi, whether it's an SWF commercial embroidery machine, it's a DTG printer, it's the Cams Rhinestone machines, the Pro Spangle brand. We represent the best brands in the business, and we're happy to have Avance on board with ColDesi. You get the same support, the same training, and the same people behind this important decision that you're going to make. We'll be here to support you. The Avance is available online at avance-emb.com. Go get more information there. Our phone number is also there. You're welcome to call and speak to us anytime. And that phone number is 877-793-3278. But click on the Avance link. Go visit us at avance-emb.com. Learn more, call us, and start embroidering today.